Hi, I'm Brian Armstrong. I've been earning money online since 1999, and over the years, I've learned a lot. One thing I've noticed is that affiliate marketing can seem overwhelming when you're just getting started. There are thousands of videos, countless websites, and more opinions than you could ever read. It's easy to wonder where you're supposed to begin. That's exactly why I'm creating this course. Starting tomorrow, I'll be releasing a brand new lesson every day for the next 30 days. Each lesson is designed for complete beginners. We'll take one topic at a time in plain English, without confusing jargon, and without making unrealistic promises. By the end of this course, you'll understand how affiliate marketing works, how affiliate marketers earn commissions, how to choose the right programs, how to create content that helps people, and how to build a business one step at a time. You don't need any previous experience. You don't need to be a technical expert. All you need is a willingness to learn and a little consistency. My goal isn't to convince you that affiliate marketing is easy. It's not, but I do believe it's something ordinary people can learn when it's explained in a simple, honest way. So if that sounds like something you'd enjoy, I'd love for you to join me. Lesson 1 launches tomorrow, and we'll start with the most important question of all. What is affiliate marketing? If you don't want to miss it, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. I'm looking forward to helping you get started. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow for Lesson 1.